Oh, hey, I didn't see you there. Or you there, either. Hey, what's up, YouTube? Today, we're gonna work on the second Navi. This one belongs to our kid, and let's get started.
2,000 years later.
Yeah, what do you guys think? So here's some decals that we got from Amazon. Let's put it on the bike. Okay, guys, for this install, you're gonna need a heat gun. And I think that's it. Okay, guys, we just got done putting on the wrap. As you can see, there's some bubbling there, but that's why we use the heat gun. Make sure your heat gun has like a low setting or multiple settings, and you want to do it with the low setting so that it doesn't actually shrink or burn the wrap. Okay, so it's not unusual to get a little bit of adhesive uh, on the wrap. So all you gotta do in that case is just get a little rubbing alcohol and some cotton swabs and wipe it down. See, simple as that. Yeah, with the heat gun you can get most of the bubbles and the imperfections out, but what's really gonna help it is just riding the bike and keeping it on the sun. That will shrink the wrap or the decals over time, and yeah, it'll look better. But yeah, what do you guys think? Leave me a comment down below if you guys like it.